In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add live chat on Shopify, a must-have feature in 2025 to elevate your customer interaction and boost sales. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Shopify App Store. Now, the App Store is your go-to place for all the tools and enhancements you might need to level up your Shopify store. In the search bar, type Shopify Inbox. This keyword will help you locate the specific app necessary for implementing live chat. Once you've found it, go ahead and install Shopify Inbox. The installation process is typically straightforward as the platform guides you through each step with helpful prompts. After successfully installing Shopify Inbox, you'll need to turn on your online store chat. This is a critical step as it activates the chat feature, making it functional for your store visitors to interact with you in real time. Look for the option labeled Set Up Chat and click on it to enable the feature. Enabling the chat ensures your customers can reach out to you with any queries or support needs directly from your online store. The next important thing to do is to integrate Shopify Inbox with your store theme using Shopify theme app embeds. This step ensures that the chat feature blends seamlessly with your store's design, a crucial aspect for maintaining a professional appearance. Once you've turned on the Shopify Inbox within your theme, be sure to save your changes. Saving ensures that your new settings are applied, and without this step, your integration won't be complete. So don't forget to hit that save button. Now that you've installed and set up Shopify Inbox, the Inbox tab will appear in your Shopify admin menu under Sales Channels. This is where all the magic happens, giving you full control over your live chat. From here, you can enable or disable the chat feature based on your current business needs, manage your agent settings, and customize your chat interface. Customization allows you to tailor the chat experience to reflect your brand, providing a consistent experience for your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Shopify Inbox and are now ready to provide live chat support to your customers. With Shopify Inbox, you can engage your website visitors in real time, answer their queries instantly, and provide unparalleled customer service, all of which are key to growing your e-commerce business in this digital era. Remember, the personal touch of live chat can make all the difference in turning a casual browser into a loyal customer. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!